What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's an early morning. Time to head to CJC and let's go get this truck lifted. There it is, guys. Got all warmed up. Ooh, this is a little cold, foggy. Man, it's cold over here in Long Beach. All right, guys, we're here. We have arrived at CJC. Once they're still opening up. I came a little early. I gotta say, they got some nice Rams over here. This one's really nice too. I like this one. This is, I believe he said, just a leveling kit, but it looks really good, man. These things look like massive. What's going on, guys? We're here. We have arrived. We're here at CJC. I'm gonna have, I don't even know your name.
Cody.
Cody. There's a Cole and a Cody, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I always get them mixed up because those are the two brothers. So I'm gonna have him explain what kit we're putting on this truck, because I know you guys are gonna ask me. I don't know even exact kit I'm getting, so he'll explain to you guys.
Hey guys, yep, as he said, we're gonna be doing a Carly suspension kit. On this truck, we're gonna be doing their 3-inch backcountry system. Now, that system is a 3-inch front kit with a 1-inch out-of-pack in the rear. He chose to do the out-of-pack because, as you can see by this hitch, he does a lot of towing. He has a heavy trailer. So the full spring pack that we also offer was not quite the best choice for him, just due to the loss of towing capacity and things like that. So the out-of-pack, what it does is we actually get rid of the thicker overload leaves underneath the leaf pack, and we're going to go with thinner leaves. And what that does is it allows the spring to move a lot more, but still maintain your factory capacity. Shock package-wise, we actually chose the backcountry system. That is the middle of the 3 packages that Carly offers. They have the commuter, backcountry, and pin-top system. The commuter has a non-reservoir Fox shock, then the backcountry, which he's getting, has a reservoir Fox shock, and then the pin-top system has King 2.5 shocks. Now again, all these shocks are custom tuned for guys that aren't familiar with Carly suspension. They take a soft ride coil, they get these shocks, and they take them and they drive them home, they drive them in the desert, they tow with them, they put them through all kinds of scenarios, and they adjust the tuning to get it as best as possible in all these situations. Again, he chose to go with the Carly kit because of this custom tuning. The quickest way to tell if you have a custom tuned shock system is actually to check a part number on your shock. If you look at 985 or 983 Fox, is actually an off-the-shelf Fox that you can get from Amazon or a similar company. A 986 part number, like what Carly suspension uses, is their own design. So kind of a cool little fact there for guys who have brands that say they're custom tuned, but if you check that part number, you can find out for yourself. So yeah, we're really excited to get this project started. Ride quality wise, it's going to be greatly improved. He's still going to be able to tow when he unhooks his trailer to be able to do some pretty spirited off-roading and have some fun. So
Can't wait for that.
Yeah.
Now, real quick, why did I remember talking to you about I want to go, with the King, and I told you I tow, but then you told me to go with the Fox shock.
Just with your uses, and when we were discussing costs and things like that, there's really, if you're not doing some heavy off-roading and those kinds of things, the King might not fit the package, and we wanted to make sure that, our goal here is not to oversell, it's actually to get you the right package. In this instance, I felt for your uses, the backcountry system was the way to go.
So, yeah, so if I told you, though, I'm going to go take this thing off-roading and, I want to get going, you would prefer the King.
Yeah. So, like down here in Southern California, or closer actually to you in San Diego, we have Glamis. If you said you wanted to hit the sand highway and the dunes nonstop every other weekend during the season, then the King system would have been for you. But for more weekend warrior action, the backcountry, and it's kind of even in the name, right? Like it's just for cruising to the lake or going hunting and going camping and things like that. So
and that's why I chose, guys, the Fox, the 2.0s, because you guys know I'm not gonna go take this thing off road. I'm just use it for towing, get me to the desert, and that's it. So those are the main differences between those two shocks. So what he did right here, guys, is he took this the bigger one, the thicker one out. That is on that side, see that right there? And they put these in here, and that's what gives it that nice ride. You can see the difference right there. I gotta say, the most exciting thing that, I'm really want to see and test out, I'm sure this thing is going to ride like a Cadillac, because right now this 3500 is a little rough, especially in the rear when there's no weight back there, it gets a little stiff. There it is, guys. He has now busted out the good stuff right here. This is what we've all been waiting for. So it looks like he's got the Fox shocks on it right there. Oh yeah, look at that. They always look nice and pretty. And then right here for the airbag, guys, if you guys do have airbags that didn't come from the factory but came, I put these on aftermarket, you will have to put the cradles on here, and well, they know how to do that also, and they got all that stuff in stock. Alright guys, so there is some minor trimming. So as you guys know, I got the Airlift 7500 airbags, and I'm putting the cradles on them, and what he had to do, because these are a lot thicker, it's very, very simple. And if you bring it here to CJC, they'll do it for you. But what you gotta do is you gotta trim this bracket just a hair. He trimmed literally just very little bit right off there, just so it clears. If you guys can see that right there, that U-bolt. And honestly, it fits a lot better too. If you guys wondering what the front looks like right here, look at that. Oh man, that looks pretty. All right guys, so now they have finished the lift. They're gonna go test drive it, make sure everything is good. They do, and again, remember, they do the alignment, they do everything here. So it's pretty much a one-stop shop. When you come here, you can get rims, you can get tires, you can get your truck aligned, lifted. I mean, they do it all. Here it is, guys. She's all done and complete. They're gonna do some final adjustments real quick for the steering wheel. Like I said, they do the alignments, they do everything here. So when you guys do come here, you can get rims, tires, lift, alignment, all kinds of goodies, you know, that are under this thing, all here. It's a one-stop shop, so you guys don't have to worry about, you know, going to different places after this. And when you're done, you know, it's it. When you leave here, your truck is going to be done and complete. And if you guys are wondering why I did not get that, it's because, well, they're on back order and nobody has it. CJC doesn't even have it, so they got a bunch coming though. So they're gonna have, you know, tons and tons of stock of that. Also, guys, if you're wondering why I did not, what, are you playing music under there? If you're wondering why I did not go with that front shock down there, was because of, well, what was the reason? Because these things, I guess, Toyo MTs sway to the right. You told me, well, I'm explaining why I didn't go with the shock down there.
Oh, the MTs pull to the right, and then that shock pulls to the right as well, so you get too much right pull pretty much.
Okay, and what we're waiting for,
the Carly high mount stabilizer.
Carly high mount. So stay tuned for that, guys. That is not currently out yet, correct? No. Okay, so we'll find out when that comes out, and then we can put that on there as well. All right, guys, so we're driving it right now. I'm gonna go take a dip that if this truck was stock, I would not take, because I would know I'm gonna go flying through the sunroof, because this thing in the back, when it was bone stock, was extremely rough, where when you would hit a dip, you would feel it, and it wouldn't feel solid on the road. And don't forget, guys, if you also want to see more footage of the truck, go follow CJC Off-Road, correct?
Yep.
All right, go give them a follow on YouTube, and you can see a lot more footage. Now, I'm not gonna take this dip at 70 miles an hour like Austin did over here in the other truck. That's a little scary. I am gonna take it though, you know, at a fairly good speed. But you guys know me, I don't have the balls to do this, man. When we went to lunch, he came just flying through this thing, and literally, you felt nothing. It was like a little speed bump that he just hit. When this is a good dip, check it out. All right, here it is, guys. Here we go, brace yourself. It's like too fast for me. Oh man, that's amazing. That's insane. Wow. See, this thing, now it's very hard for you guys to tell on camera, but I honestly would have went flying through the roof. The back would have bounced so bad in that dip. You guys have no idea. And for you guys out there that have this truck, that have it stock, you will you know exactly what I'm talking about when you hit that dip. Well guys, we finally have arrived back to San Diego, and I gotta say, I'm glad to put her in the garage. I mean, look at this thing. She just looks amazing. Let me get over here for you. Yep, got stalkers here, so they're up for sale. Let me know, anybody interested, DM me down below. The most incredible thing about this is the ride. I cannot believe how smooth this thing is. I mean, there's parts that I drive, you know, when I'm pulling on my driveway in certain streets that I drove, and I mean, I went pretty fast. I was cringing to see what this thing would do, and I gotta say, this truck took all of those little bumps, everything amazing. I mean, I'm so happy with this kit. It turned out incredible. So for you guys out there wondering, you know, if you do a lift kit, is the ride gonna, you know, be bad? I'll tell you what, if you're doing a Carly kit and you got a Ram, or any Carly kit in general, is incredible. I mean, the only way you guys are really gonna understand is if you get in this truck and drive it. It's insane how smooth it is. And for you guys out there, I was reading some of your DMs saying, Eddie, man, I want that kit, but CJC is way too far. Well, guess what? CJC will ship you this kit also. CJC will ship whatever you want for your Ram. I'm sure they got Ford and GM stuff over there. I'm not sure. We just talked about Ram stuff. I will put their link and their website down in the description. So if you guys are interested in any of their Carly stuff, suspension, Fox shock, King shocks, rims, whatever, you can give them a call. Their phone number will be down in the description. Or you can just click the link down in the description. It'll take you right to their website. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.